raining a lot.
It is raining a lot
not
for...
supposed to stop.
Yeah, well... Do you have extra layers? Or a rain jacket?
This is my extra layer.
Perfect. Well, as promised, the rain is here. And we are going to work because we can't take a whole week off. So be ready for a video of Harvey the whole time.
Isn't that what they say in most every video?
All right, Joseph. Live in the merch store.
Yes.
Exciting news. PoulinProperty.com.
Shebang.
Woo-wee! How do they smell?
Those ones smell like black ice.
How would you rate it 1 through 10?
I like it. I haven't had a black ice. I used to, that's strictly what I did was the black ice. And then I started doing the True North. Oh shit.
Might not make it with Christian's car.
Oh god, that's not gonna work. And Harvey's there, so I can't back up.
Cluster already.
Started running the True North ones and a little bit of new car mixed in there. I don't think they had the True North, so we have two options, either True North or black ice. Either smell pretty good. I will say the True North is definitely like less aggressive. Like black ice is definitely more of a like in your face smell.
Yeah. So we have two scents. We have black ice or new car. Do you like the new car option as well?
I like them both.
Well, that is great because they are available at PoulinProperty.com. Have you ever had to back out of your own place of 60 acres before?
I just witnessed him backing up at 10 miles per hour around a corner.
I'm not kidding when I say he's Mater.
He is not playing.
He goes faster backwards than he does forwards.
Well, and if Harvey had just backed up down there, but he wasn't really paying attention, I don't think, so I had to do all that.
You had to get a music started, dog.
Well, my weather currently says
Rain all day.
currently says 0%.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be doing this much.
No, not till 4 o'clock.
It wasn't even like 20% until like what, 11, 12?
But it'll be a fun day in the rain. Joe is speechless.
No, like there's some point then it gets too wet, especially in the cemeteries, because we're going to be plastering headstones with wet grass.
Yeah. But it's supposed to rain the entire week, so it's been a super.
And the good news is
fun.
this cemetery is 40% dandelions right now, so those are going to be good and just lay right down.
Well, we'll try it, and if not, maybe we can pivot to something else. But the only thing I was thinking was mulch, and I don't think you really want to do that when it's this rainy. Bentley, maybe your wish will come true and you can go home and go back to bed.
I don't even want to go to bed. Man, everything just hurts.
Why does everything hurt, Benno?
Because I had 2 games.
You only played
You played
10 8-minute quarters.
12, yeah, 8 12-minute quarters, 10 minutes.
What?
And then 2 were like
5 minutes.
Oh, but then you played in overtime.
We did.
Another 5 minutes.
You played an extra 5 minutes. You literally played.
No, we played 6. That's just how long they did the last one.
We were there from 5 till 8:30.
Oh, yeah. Christian said he got literally like 20 minutes of sleep last night.
Really?
He's all thrown off from drill or training.
Aww. Maybe we should give these boys a day off. We'll see how the cemetery goes.
Island shores in some houses.
So this looks small compared to others.
Mm.
All right, Ben, it's time
This
to get...
is like the second biggest Andover one, and it looks like a very small compared to
I
Pittsfield.
know, isn't that crazy?
Mm.
Dad had talked about going in the Andover 4th of July parade. The 4th of July in Andover is a very big deal. But Dad was talking a big game, and the closer it gets, he's like, no. So Harvey grabbed this little flyer from JJ's. And my goal today is just put it places for it to sneak up on Joe. And he can't ignore it.
He doesn't know he doesn't have a choice. He's just doing it, right?
Yeah, we'll see about that. Look at these two professional weed whackers. The weed whackers are the sleepy guys today. You got your new headphones?
There's 2 sweatshirts in the black truck if you want to sit on one.
Oh, thank you. I did bring one. I probably should sit on one.
Why?
My butt will
I
be...
have 2, because apparently I have 5 sweatshirts.
Don't you
There's 6
always
or 7 of them.
ask for more?
Yeah,
It's just because you don't do laundry, Harvey.
I know I need to.
What are they in your truck? Yeah, like once a year. Harvey said you have to wash sweatshirts, and I said, yeah, like once a year. Oh, great. It's all like dog hair. Oh, that's nice. Maybe he should wash it. Harvey, if your sweatshirts look like this, maybe you should wash it more than once
I'm
a
pretty
year.
sure this is because it came from your house. If you look at your son.
His isn't nearly as
What are you
bad as
talking
yours.
about?
But thank you.
I dried your bum spot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good job, Harvey. You couldn't even see your fingers.
I know, that's what Joey does every time.
He went like this.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we tried 3.5.
Okay. wardrobe change. I don't even know if I can get this off. It's so wet. It's starting to make me really cold. But got a job to do. I'm gonna try to like have that dry out a little maybe.
I literally told you I have like 37 sweatshirts.
No, like
Which is-
my pants.
She's freezing.
At least.
You're wearing
I mean, I will give it
those.
to you. You were on the sit-down mower, but you were also in the truck for 25 minutes.
It was not
If you were
25.
weed whacking instead
Oh.
of sitting in the truck, you would have been warm.
Yeah, that's probably back.
Harvey, you're my
You probably have the
favorite
AC
person.
on, the ACC.
You're my favorite. What?
Why are you wearing those?
Your basketball shoes?
That hurts my soul.
They're
Family
comfy.
gets so
All right, let's
sad.
get this stuff.
Family gets so sad when you're basketball.
I know. We're gonna go home, but we only have one more cemetery on the list. I can't stop shaking. I'm so cold. I think from having the sit-down mower, like my legs take all the rain because I'm not standing up like the guys. And just every piece of clothing, I am so cold. But we're gonna knock out this last cemetery so they're all done. And then I call dibs on the first hot shower. right, well, thanks for working in the rain, Harvey. We really appreciate you. And all the nice
do you wanna do
comments that
next?
you say to me throughout the day.
I say nice comments too. You just don't catch those ones on camera.
I've never caught those either.
In real life.
IRL.
Although you did offer me your sweatshirt. That was very nice.
I offered you all of my sweatshirts
Thanks, Harvey.
because she was freezing.
I didn't
It's
say
like
anything.
70 degrees out.
My body was just shaking and he was making fun of me. Yes.
You guess what trimmer was used today?
No.
This one.
Yep. I would use that one.
Well, we could keep mowing, but everything is so wet. Everything else on the
This one's
list.
on its way out.
That we can't keep them. I don't think it is.
It just likes oil.
Yeah.
I think
mine
it
likes
doesn't
oil
get rubbed
too.
out very often.
Father. I think the one I was using likes oil too.
But what are you thinking?
I mean, none of the other little cemeteries are probably that bad, and
That's
they
fine.
And we
all
do them all
yeah.
before the
What?
for
4th.
the 4th, so we'd
do
be
that.
doing them twice.
Right.
Like,
That'd be silly.
It's a thing.
this is a tip. Yep.
Stop moving it. Stop
This
moving.
is how you fix an echo.
Had a tick on me.
Did it fix it?
Nope.
It'll fix it.
You might need 2 new weed whackers.
Yeah.
That's probably the oldest one we
I
own,
think it is.
because I usually take the oldest, like, barely runs-ish one, and I put that brush
Because
head
those
on.
like to wreck the clutches.
Yep.
Christians has done this like 12 times and I've hit it with my Lebanon and it fixes it every time. Does
Does it fix it or just breaks it more and you
No,
think
fixes
you're
it
fixing it?
The dogs just don't.
Was it
grab
the ones that sit outside?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Come on.
All right, this has been fun. What do you think, Christian? Do you think we should find another something to do or call it a day?
Christian said he'll go mow.
We can keep, yeah, I get it.
You're a trooper. Well, for YouTube, we're done.
I think,
we'll figure out the rest off camera.
Yeah, as I say, I think I have some things we could do, but I
Probably
think,
not gonna do it.
no, I don't know.
We should go do them just because Harvey's saying no.
Yeah.
That's usually what happens.
That's usually what I do, like yesterday, mowing the last lawn, because he told me I wasn't going to get home until 3:45.
We got home at
like
3:35.
Well, that was
We got
plenty
home
of
at
time. He just
3:30.
needed a 5-minute
Yes, we
shower
did.
and out the
No, we did
door.
not. We were done that lawn at 3:06. I said, "Oh, we have a 40-minute ride home, huh?"
Hey, Harvey's copying me.
All right. Well, let's go. Figure it out. Do something.
Yep.
YouTube, thanks for being here on a rain day. Every day is super fun.
Are you convincing yourself?
Yes.
Life is grand.
Life is great.
Everything's awesome.
Everything is amazing.
Nothing could be any better whatsoever. It's the goodest.
It's bike week, so it has to rain.
That is true.
It's
Bike
been
week
raining
in New
all-
Hampshire.
I think it's been bike week all spring, summer.
I think so. But all right, YouTube, thanks for being here. We'll see you tomorrow probably. And Joe's ready. You're
No,
not-
Bentley was ready.
Oh.
He, was,
I was ready.
he has his own
You ready?
thing.
You ready?
All right, you taking us out,
He's gonna
B?
punch
You ready?
out YouTube.
Peace out, YouTube.